Good evening and welcome to the Weather Center. We had cloud-free skies dominating the weather throughout Wednesday across the park of South Africa, as you can see here on the most recent satellite picture. But along the southwest coastline, we saw quite a lot of rain-bearing clouds creeping onto these parts of the country, and that's ahead of this cold front, which is almost upon our shores. Now, tonight we are going to see this cold front introducing cloud and rainy weather into the southwest coastline as well as the south coast, especially around midnight. It's going to stay fine for the rest of South Africa, but it will be pretty chilly across the central areas where you see the light shade of blue. We could still see a bit of cloud creeping into the easternmost parts of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. We start off Thursday with light rain and drizzle over the southern areas of the Western and Eastern Cape. Then towards the evening, light rain should set in over the KZN coastal areas and the adjacent interior. The rest of South Africa should be mostly sunny with warmer afternoon temperatures. Now, we are expecting mostly between a 40 and 60% chance of rainfall tonight along the southwest coastline and part of the south coast. We have a warning in place for high seas tonight between Cape St. Francis and the Durban area. A watch is also in place for gale force winds along the south coast of the Eastern Cape between Cape St. Francis and Port Alfred. With that, here's a look at the winds across South Africa for the next 24 hours. It's going to be pretty breezy along the south coast as well as the Eastern Cape coastal areas, with southwesterlies gusting to 60 kilometers per hour, possible in places. Lighter winds are forecast for much of the interior. Then on Thursday, we stay with a southwesterly airflow along the south and much of the east coast. It's going to be chilly tonight for much of central South Africa, freezing for Kimberley, 2 below freezing for the minimum in Bloemfontein, -1 for the low temperature in Bethlehem. Mahikeng and Johannesburg should drop to around 4 degrees. Warmer as usual as we go towards the coastal areas. Richards Bay 12, the same for East London and Port Elizabeth. Cape Town should see a minimum of around 10 degrees. Then on Thursday afternoon, it's going to be chilly over the southern areas. Graafrenet and George peaking at just 13 degrees, a degree cooler in Sutherland. Cape Town should peak at just around 15 degrees, a degree warmer in Port Elizabeth. Highs in the lower 20s should persist for much of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be hot for Mbombela, hitting the 30-degree mark on Thursday afternoon, a high of 24 for Pretoria. Cooler over the central areas, Bloemfontein peaking at around 20 degrees. And here's looking ahead to your Friday. We are going to see a bit of drizzle for Port Elizabeth, rain along the KZN coastal areas, pushing northwards into Mbombela. Mostly sunny skies are forecast for the rest of the country. Then on Saturday, we are going to have rain and thundershowers over the northeastern areas. It's going to be mostly sunny over western South Africa.